Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Hinge dating application. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Hinge is an online dating app that uses connections to Facebook friends to facilitate connections. In order to log into Hinge dating application, make sure you've downloaded the application on your device. If not, go to your Play Store and search for Hinge dating application, and once you do that, tap open the application, and from the very first interface of Hinge, tap on continue with Facebook in order to log into your account. You can also continue logging in with your phone number. Let me tap on continue with phone number option. Type in your phone number on the next page. After you're done, tap on the next button. Wait for a verification code to arrive on your phone number. After it does, you'll be automatically entered on your Hinge account. That is how you can easily log in to Hinge dating application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.